Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine, and today we will discuss about the Rutherford atomic model, and he discovered and gave an atomic model. We will discuss it. Rutherford conducted an experiment by bombarding a thin sheet of gold with alpha particle and then studied the trajectory of these particles after their interaction with the gold foil. Okay. Rutherford in this experiment directed high energy stream of alpha particle from a radioactive source and thin sheet 100 millimeter thickness of gold. In order to study the definition caused to the alpha particle, he placed a fluorescent zinc sulfide screen around the thin gold foil. Rutherford made certain observations that contradict Thomas' atomic model. Next is the observation of Rutherford alpha scattering experiment. The observation made by Rutherford led him to conclude that and that one the first line is a major fraction of the alpha particle bombarded toward the gold sheet passed through the sheet without any diffraction, and hence most of the space in an atom is empty. The next line is some of the alpha particles were deflected by the gold sheet by very small angle, and hence the positive charge in an atom is not uniformly disturbed. The positive charge in an atom is concentrated in very small volume. The line number 3 is very few of alpha particle were deflected back. Deflected back. That is only a few alpha particles had nearly 180-degree angle of deflection. So the volume occupied by the positively charged particle in an atom is very small as compared to the total volume of atom. Rutherford atomic model. Based on the above observation and conclusion, Rutherford proposed the atomic structure of element according to the Rutherford atomic model. The positive charge and most of the mass of an atom is concentrated in extremely small volume. He called this region of atom as a nucleus. Rutherford model proposed that the negatively charged electrons surrounded the nucleus of an atom. He also claimed that the electrons surrounded the nucleus revolved around the within the very high speed in circular path. He named this circular path as orbit. Electrons being negatively charged and the nucleus being a densely concentrated mass of positively charged particle, they are held together by the strong electrostatic force of attraction. Next, we discuss the limitation of Rutherford atomic model. Although Rutherford atomic model was based on experimental observation, it failed to explain the certain things. Rutherford proposed that the electron revolve around the nucleus in a fixed path called orbits. According to the Maxwell, accelerated charged particle emit electromagnetic radiation, and hence an electron revolving around the nucleus should emit electromagnetic radiation. This radiation would carry energy from the motion of the electron, which would come at the cost of shrinking of orbit. Ultimately, these electrons would collapse and the nucleus collapse in the nucleus. Calculation have shown that as per the Rutherford model, an electron would collapse into the nucleus in less than 10 to the power minus 8 seconds. So the Rutherford model was not in accordance with the Maxwell theory and could not explain the stability of an atom. The next is the one of the drawback of Rutherford model was also that he did not say anything about the arrangement of electron in an atom, which made that theory incomplete. Although the early atomic model were inaccurate and failed to explain certain experimental results, they form the base of future development in the world of quantum mechanics. Okay, so some question which are frequently asked: what are the specialty of Rutherford atomic model? The answer is that Rutherford was the first to determine the presence of nucleus in an atom. He bombarded alpha particle on a gold sheet, which made him encounter the presence of positively charged species inside the atom. The question number second is what is Rutherford atomic model? Rutherford proposed atomic structure of an element. He explained that a positively charged particle is present inside the atom, and most of the mass of an atom is concentrated over there. He also stated that negatively charged particles rotate around the nucleus and there is an electrostatic force of attraction between them. The question number 3 arises: what are the limitations of Rutherford atomic model? Rutherford failed to explain the arrangement of electron in an atom, Like Maxwell, he was unable to explain the stability of the atom. So this was our topic. Hope you will be understand. And in next lecture, we will discuss some about other topics. So friends, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.